Hello students, in this class we will see arithmetic progression, the second exercise, second main and third main questions. Nth term of AP is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The questions are based on that. Okay. Let's see. The second main, first one. 30th term of AP is. So consider AP. They are given AP. Consider AP 10, 7, 4. They are asking 30th term means n is 30. Okay, an means a 30 they are asking. We should know a and d because n is 30 already. From this we know the first term is a, d is a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. So we know a, d and n is 30 because they want 30th term. Therefore A30 equal, sorry, first write the formula, then we substitute it. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, means A30 they want, A is 10, N is 30, 30 minus 1 and D is minus 3. So this comes to 10 plus 29 into minus 3, properly you multiply. 10 plus into minus minus 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8. So which comes to minus 77. What is the answer here? Minus 77 C. Therefore you have to write answer is C minus 77. Clear? Hope you understood this. We'll see the second question in that same main. 11th term of AP. It's a similar one. The AP is differing. Here it is minus numbers and fractions. So you have to consider properly and calculate the differences and different common difference and substitute. Let's see. Consider AP. Consider AP. What is that AP given? Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, dash, dash, dash. Here A is minus 3, that's the first term. D is equal to second term minus first term. What is second term? Minus of minus 3 out right here. Minus of minus 3, that is minus of plus 3. If you take LCM, it is 2. Minus 1 plus 6, 5 by 5, 5 by 2. You should know the fraction addition subtraction quickly. Okay. Now they are asking 11th term, n is 11. Therefore, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means a11. That is the 11th term they want. That equal to, what is a here? A is minus 3 plus n is 11 minus 1 into d is 5 by 2 minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 25. That is 22. Okay. So the option is what? B. That is, therefore, answer B 22. Clear? We will move to the next question. Third main. First one. Find the missing terms in the following boxes. They are said they are AP. They are in AP. Okay. So you have to know the AP looks like A plus D. Terms of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Means it is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. Just a recap before we move into this question. This concept is needed here. And also solving equations, two variable equation concept also needed here. We'll see one by one, you will understand. So the first AP is consider 2 comma dash comma 26, right? Instead of box I put a dash here. So what is here given is a is 2, a is 2 means a1, a2 is they want that, a3 they have given, a3 is 26. What do you mean by a3? You just check out, a3 and t3 are same, I just use term t here. A plus 2d is 26, okay, a plus 2d is 26, because a3 is nothing but a plus 2d. We know a 2 plus 2d is 26, therefore 2d is equal to 26 minus 2, which becomes 24, 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja, therefore d is equal to 12. Since the second term is nothing but a plus d, right? Therefore a2 is equal to a plus d. A they gave 2 and d we just found it, so 14. Therefore missing term, what is that? Just conclude that missing term is equal to 14. Understood? You should know how the terms are in AP. Calculate properly using the given one and find the missing. Let's see the second one. Dash comma 13 comma dash comma 3. So you should know what is given here. A plus 2d is a plus d means second term is given. A plus d 13 is given. Okay. A plus 4d is means first term, second term, third term, fourth term means a plus 3d. Right? 3. See, understand here. This is first term. This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. So fourth term is a plus 3d. How do you know that? You substitute in this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A4 how much it comes? A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Right? Based on this formula only we derive the terms. In other words also it is vice versa. So you have to solve these two equations so that you get a and d. So using we can subtract these things. Okay. This requires solving two variable equations knowledge. Okay, a get cancels. D minus 3d means minus 2d equal to 10 minus 3 is 13 minus 3 is 10. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, d equal to minus 5. Okay. So you call these as equation 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1, a plus d means minus 5 equal to 13. A equal to 13 minus 5 becomes plus 5 when you transpose it. Therefore, 18. 13 plus 5, 18. So they have asked first term and third term. If you see the question, the boxes are in first place and third place. Therefore, A is the first term. Therefore, we'll calculate third term also. A plus 3d is A3 is A plus 2d. A is 18. 2 of d is minus 5. That is 18 plus 2 minus 5 is minus 10, means 18 minus 10 is 8. So missing terms you just conclude. Missing terms are first term and the third term. What are the terms? A 18 and 8. Okay. You just conclude 18 and 8. Clear? 18 and 8. Very simple. You put an formula in the term whichever required and solve. You may get quickly or you may get two variable equations. Solve for a and d accordingly. We'll move to the third question in the third main. What is that? 5 comma dash comma dash comma 9 1.5, right? So here we know a is first term, that is 5. A4 means a1 a2 a3 a1 a2 a3 a4 is given as 9.5. What is a4? A4 is A plus 3D is 9 and half. A we know 5 plus 3D is 9 and half. We can solve it as 9 to the 18, right? 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Mixed fraction, you have to convert to the improper. Therefore, if you transpose 5 to the left hand side directly, because you can transpose 5 also and you need to take LCM. Instead, I transpose 2 to the left side. So, it becomes 10 plus 2 3 is 60 is equal to 19. Therefore, 60 is equal to 19 minus 10 is 9. 2, 3 2 is 3 3 is therefore D is equal to 3 by 2. Once you know D, you can calculate the next term. That is A2. A2 we want, that is A plus D. A2 equal to A plus D. A is 5. D is 3 by 2. We just calculated it, right? A plus D. 5 plus 3 by 2. If you take LCM and solve it, it becomes 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Then A3 they have asked. A3 is A plus 2D. A is 5 plus 2 of D is 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel 8. Therefore, conclude missing terms are first write A2 13 by 2 and 8 is the third term. You should know the general form of AP here. Basically, that is the concept for this entire main. We'll see the fourth question in that one. Fourth question. What is the fourth question? Minus 4. Don't worry if there are too many terms being asked. The respective terms will have the numbers, right? A3, A4, A5, and we substitute it. So, four terms they have asked means A2, A3, A4, A5 they have asked. A1 minus 4, A2, A3, A4, A5 are blanks. A6 is 6. Okay. So, we take the values. A is minus 4. That is first term. And A6. Just calculate again. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A6 is 6. Means A6 means A plus 5D. Remember that. A is minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. Therefore, 5D equal to 6. When you transpose minus 4, it will become plus 4. That is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, D equal to 2. Therefore, we can calculate quickly the terms. A2 is what we want first term, that is A plus D. A is minus 4 plus D is 2, that is minus 2. A3 also they want. A3 is A plus 2D. A is minus 4. Okay. A is minus 4 plus 2D means 2 into 2 because D is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 into 2. 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Minus 4 is 0. A4 is A plus 3D. A is minus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. A5 is A plus 4D. That is A is minus 4 plus what do you mean by D? 2 here means 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. Therefore, just we conclude the missing terms. Therefore, missing terms are minus 2, comma 0 to 0, comma 2, comma 4. These are in APs. You can validate it because D we got 2. Okay. The last one in the main will see and wind up the class. Third one, fifth one, consider this. First itself they have asked, very interesting it is. And we have seen that in the second type here, the first term being blank. minus 22. Means first term we don't know. Second term we know. What is second term? A2 is A plus D equal to 38. We know that. Then A2, A3 we don't know. A4 we don't know. A5 we don't know. A6 we know. What is A6? A plus 5D is minus 22. Remember that. So we call these two 1 and 2. When we add them, I mean subtract them, sorry, you should know the subtraction. If you don't know how to subtract equations having two variables, you visit my page where I explained two variable equations, means linear equation in two variables chapter, how to solve equations having two variables. We can solve by either substitution method or elimination method. We usually solve in elimination method. This is elimination method concept. So A get cancels here. Then D minus 5D, because you consider the sign we change, which becomes minus 4D equal to 30s plus 22 becomes 60. D equal to 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 5s are, therefore minus 15. Okay. D is minus 15. We got it. Then A we want, right? So we substitute in 1. From 1 we get A plus D is minus 15 equal to 38. So when you transpose minus 15 to right side, it will become plus 15 and plus 38 becomes 40, 50 plus 3, 53. Okay. Now we'll find the terms missing. So missing term itself is first one, that is A. That is A1 is equal to 53. A2 they are given. A2, A3 is A plus 2D. Means A is how much? 53. And 2 times D means 2 into minus 15. Okay. A is how much? 53. Okay. 53 plus 30 becomes plus into minus 30. 53 plus 2 of minus 15. That is 53 minus 30 becomes 23. A3 is done. Then A4 is A plus 3D. A is what? 53 plus 3D means 3 of minus 15. That is 53 minus 45 becomes 8, right? A4 is 8. Then we have to find one more last one, A5, that is A plus 4D. A is 53 plus 4 of D is minus 15. 53 minus 15 for 15 for the 60 minus 60 becomes minus 7. Okay. We just conclude therefore missing terms are, so first term itself is missing, that is A1 has come how much? 53 here. You can note down and just write one by one what we found. A2 they have given. A3 is 23. A4 is 8 and minus 7 is A5. Okay. 20, 53, 23, 8 and minus 7. Okay. I hope you understood this. If you don't know, if you did not get any concept, any problem solution here, you please comment. Please do like the video, subscribe it, share it across your friends. Make use of this video. It is very important for your 10th standard subjects, mathematics. Okay. Thank you.